Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. What we have here is the Yoshimura full system exhaust for Honda Monkey 2019 model up to the present. This is quite surprising for us because we never sell any Honda Monkey accessories before. But this is a special request from my dear friend. So let's open this one. So here you go, guys. This is Yoshimura RS-3 full system. This one is made of stainless from the headers down to the exhaust. So actually, as you can see from the box, this is made in the US. It's really nice. And this is the headers. This one includes also the 18mm bung O2 sensor. This one is lighter than the stock exhaust for about around 2 kilograms. This is the clamp with the rubber in it, and then you've got like free stickers, cool stickers, Honda Monkey stickers, and then you have here the spring puller. Sorry. You have the washers, the bolts, the nuts, everything, and then you have here the heat guard. This is made of stainless as well. This is a very nice logo here. Cool logo from like the logo from the Honda Monkey. And then last is we have here the exhaust bracket. Later in this video, guys, we will attach the sound test, like the comparison between the stock exhaust and then this R3 full stainless exhaust. So if you have more questions, you can comment below. Please check our Facebook page as well, Takumi's World International. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.
Yeah. I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody